It is a course on the history of the Cold War with a specific emphasis on Berlin. And so we use Berlin as a kind of a laboratory for examining aspects of the Cold War, going to various sites, talking to people who experienced it, and coming up with a well-rounded view of this international conflict. Yeah, Berlin is ground zero for the Cold War, and so a lot of international relations analysts and politicians thought that if there was a war during the Cold War, it most likely would break out in Berlin and perhaps expand from there. And so it was, during the Cold War, a series of crises in Berlin which were managed by East and West in ways that prevented that war, but which provided a lot of drama. And so we see the after effects of the war in some of the built environment. And again, we have eyewitnesses to the events that will also explain some of their feelings and emotions having lived through this very traumatic experience. It's a tremendous benefit because the Cold War was an international conflict and no nation really was able to avoid getting caught up in the Cold War to various degrees. And so we have people that come from the United States, but also from Western Europe, from Eastern Europe, Latin America, Asia, all places where the Cold War had a dramatic impact, but in different ways. And so they're able to then have discussions based on their own experiences and their families' experiences during the Cold War, which show the different perspectives in the way that it influenced different parts of the world.